Alright guys, here we have another how-to repair video from 2003 to 2007. As seen as the title of this video, we're going to be replacing the passenger side headlight. It doesn't matter, this is the side that's burned out, so that's the side we're going to be replacing in this. Like I said, it's from 2003 to 2007 if I'm mistaken. Honda Accord. Doesn't matter if it's 3.0 VTEC V6 or the 4-cylinder, same thing goes. We're gonna have to remove the battery. So 2 tins for the terminals and 2 tins for the battery hold down, and the battery comes out. So the only tools you're going to be needing today in this video is a 10mm, a ratchet, maybe a flathead, and of course the light bulb. Make sure you have the 9006, not the 9005. The 9005 is the high beam. This is the low beam. So, I'll go ahead and flip on the headlight and I'll show you. As you can tell, it's not coming on. Park light works. High beam works. The low beam right here does not work. And that side's kind of dim. Anyhow, set the camera down. We'll go ahead and get this battery out of the way and go ahead and get this headlight bulb out. One last thing I want to remember to mention that I forgot to mention a minute ago was that you need a pair of gloves. Any kind of gloves will work as long as you're wearing gloves whenever you replace any type of headlight bulb, because the grease from your fingers will burn that bulb out. So make sure that you wear some kind of gloves. Latex is what I like to wear. I wear them all the time. I would highly suggest you wearing gloves before you're replacing this bulb. Negative side, positive side. I just put this battery in here. If you want to know how to replace the battery in this car, check out my other video, how to replace your car battery. Alright, the whole battery should come out. Set that aside. Now we can get access down inside here. It's going to be kind of hard to see. As you can tell, it is not this one right here. It's not this one. That's the high beam. You've got to go back here or to this one right here. I know it's kind of hard to see, guys. My other camera broke. This is my other phone. It doesn't really have a flash on it or a light. Let me go fix that. Alright, so basically what I did, if you see that little tab right here, you push down on it and then pull down, and the whole thing should come out. To get the bulb out, turn counterclockwise and the whole thing should come out just like that. Set that down. Doesn't even look blown. Anyway, go ahead and compare it to your other one. This will be the part where I'd say put on some pair of gloves. Compare them, make sure that they are the same, which they are. We'll go ahead and put the other one in. It's basically just reverse steps. Put it in easy, make sure you don't hit the tip of it and break it off. That would not be a good thing. Then you need to take the whole headlight assembly out to get the pieces inside of it out. Make sure it's in there, wiggle it around. It shouldn't move, which it ain't. So, go ahead and take your plug, pop that bad boy back on there. It clicks. It's in there. It's not going nowhere. It's done. Go ahead and slap the battery back in there. Tighten everything down, and go ahead and check it out, and everything should be fixed. Alright, so right before I tighten down the battery and everything like that, I want to make sure the bulb works. Let's go ahead and flip them on. Yeah, buddy, she works like brand new. Can focus. Safety feature turned off on me. Oh, never had to do that there before. Anyhow, you see that it works. Everything's good, so we'll go ahead and tighten down the bracket and everything for the battery. Slide it through here. You take these go on the bottom down here, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's kind of hard to show you without touching the battery. Alright, so you see that little bitty hook down there. See it right there? Pull it up, hook it in there, hook it through this hole, put the nut on it, and you tighten it down. Same way with the front one. You see that one sort of down there. There you go. You can see it right there in front of it. Yep. Alright. Let's go ahead and put that back on and call her done. Alright, so one last thing I like to do. I just put this battery in this vehicle not too long ago. Like I said, you can check that video out on my channel. How to replace your car battery in your vehicle. And it is on this Honda Accord. And I did replace the whole headlight assembly on this side. If you want to check that video out, it is on my channel too as well. Here's the old one. Garage caught fire and it melted and tore up the whole front end, so I couldn't see it all. So I had to go to the junkyard and get another one. Anyhow, it's battery terminal protective. Sprayed a little bit on there. It's the clear stuff. Keeps it from corroding and rusting and everything else. Doesn't hurt a thing. Spray it on there and leave it. It'll dry. Everything's good. Now, let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, one last thing I want to mention before I end this video is when you take the battery out in any Honda Civic, Accord, you're probably more likely going to have to put the radio code back into it. You can check that out in your owner's manual. It should be either in your owner's manual or in the glove box somewhere, maybe even in the center console. I have mine, so I have no problem with that. But if you don't have yours, you may have to go to the Honda dealership in order to get that code. Alright, so guys, that's it. It's basically how to change your headlight bulb in your 05 Honda Accord from 03 to 07. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, wherever you are. Like, share, subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing. I make how-to videos just about every other week, whenever possible, whenever I can. I've been really busy here lately, guys. Just hadn't had time. My back's been killing me. I pulled something, so I hadn't been really able to get out here to actually do anything. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.